Z-JndWater drinking water equipment is a prominent Chinese manufacturer that specializes in the dedicated assembly of beverage processing machinery. We have successfully integrated elements of design, production, and distribution into our corporate infrastructure. A global distribution network allows us to provide customers everywhere with specialized equipment such as complete production lines for bottled beverages, easy open canned beverages, 3 to 20 liters containers of bottled water, as well as cup and bag contained beverages. Our products have found export destinations in countries and regions including America, the UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, Mexico, Russia, Africa, the Middle East, etc. Outstanding market performance has allowed us to exceed 100 million USD in annual revenues. All products are approved by internationally recognized standards such as CE, UL, and CSA.